Hello, I'm Kylie Charlton of Hodges Real Estate and welcome to number 146 Oak Street in Beaumaris. It's a fabulous location, an amazing family home. Please come and take a look. Located perfectly in the Beaumaris Secondary Zone and also only a short walk to the Beaumaris Sports Club, this home offers really great accommodation with 4 bedrooms or 5 potentially. There's really lots to love about this home, but my favourite room is here. Timber feature wall, sunken lounge and this beautiful open fireplace. Imagine a roaring fireplace, a glass of wine or a cup of tea, watching your favourite show on TV or even the footy. There is a large family bathroom that provides access to all of the bedrooms. On the other side of this timber wall is our sunken lounge. This, I think, could be made into a fantastic formal dining room, or it could be another bedroom. It's a big space, beautiful natural light coming through, and it flows really well onto the hallway. The master bedroom at the front of the home has access to a private courtyard, a walk-in robe and ensuite are also provided there. With such a pretty facade and indoor-outdoor living, this is just another space that you can spend some time in. The kitchen provides gas cooking and plenty of cupboard space and does overlook the rear dining and living room. The rear living room opens out onto a large rear decking, great for entertaining in winter or in summer, and opens onto the rear yard so you can watch the kids playing. Not only do we have an open fireplace, we have ducted heating and ducted cooling as well. I think most importantly, this home is a family home in one of the best bayside suburbs, which is Beaumaris. Beach at the end of Dalgety Road is only a few minutes away. We've got the dog beach at Mentone, and of course we're in this coveted area that everybody now wants to buy in, the Beaumaris Secondary Zone. I hope you've enjoyed viewing 146 Oak Street in Beaumaris. I'm Kylie Charlton. I look forward to seeing you at our next open for inspection.